Very well.
Not sir, very well, sir. Sir, well, sir, not very well, sir. Well, not very well.
Do you know whatever about the rape? Alright, I'm not talking about this.
No,
Do you know
sir,
everything
I
about that?
collect the information from the newspaper and by
Right.
airing the pupils here and there, and we have discussed a lot on that topic. But I can't say that okay, we have discussed on that topic very good or very well.
See, it depends upon the level that you are taking up through anything. Right? Do you know what's the IPC action which gets through the rape?
Sir, Western action is being taken by the police.
I
and
asked you
government.
that what is the IPC action which is taken against the culprit of the rape?
Life sentence.
IPC section number.
320.
You read it, you studied about it through newspapers and everywhere. Do you know that?
I have no idea.
So this is the way you are saying that you like observe everything. This is not the observation. What's the full form of IPC?
Indian Penal Code.
Did you know that?
I have heard, sir, but I can't.
Alright. So this is not the thing. I'm not. Please don't take it on a personal end. Whatever I'm telling you, I'm not trying to derogate you. The thing that I'm telling you is that check yourself every time you're prepared for anything, whatever you're doing to. Because there are different things. Like once I was giving up my interview, and in that interview, there was not a single question which was asked to me on my syllabus. The interview started with the engine of a car, and it ended with the painting of Picasso. Now you can say that what was covered over there. Not a single question was asked to me about my own subject. And it was NBRI, National Brain Research Institute, Lucknow. This happened to me. So why I'm telling you that interview cannot be only biased upon the way you're preparing for. They can do anything. An interviewer gets bored asking you the same
Were you
questions.
selected? Were you selected?
Yeah, I was. 14,000 NBRI over there. So these are the things that you have to make us. Today the interview, I'm not talking about a long time back, it was like 2009, the interview that I gave up over there. 2009 only. And he was a chairman, senior scientist at NBRI. It was a big shot. So the interview went on through like nothing was going through. It was like I was feeling that what the hell is going on. I was thinking that now my interview is going to get started. I was just thinking that he is just going casually with me. He is just behaving casual, so I should not feel nervous. I was thinking that way. And he's talking to me to just remove my agitation and nervousness. But I didn't know that he was checking me over there only. So that day I noticed that each and every action of yours over there in the interview, your like repulsions, your attractions, your performances, everything is observed. And then when I started taking up the interview, I was also doing the same thing. From the time onwards, person is entering into a particular hall, I'm just observing everything. He won't know, but I am. I'm asking him questions on a different spheres, I'm asking about the different things, whatever going in his life, and then I'm just checking him out, is he feasible or not? Why I was asking about the MNC corporates, multinational corporations, is just because today all the small organizations, even if it's a small one or it's a bigger one, they all try to become an MNC. Why? Because they get international aids. They get an international platform. Like if I say Tata is an MNC only now. It's not a national company now, it's an MNC. Why? Because it has taken up shares in which company? An automobile company it has invested in the company. Yes,
No, sir, I have no idea.
I gave you the biggest hint, an automobile company, and you are from engineering background.
Jaguar.
Absolutely, very good. Jaguar is the company in which the Tata has invested 51% of the shares. When? See, these are the things. I'm not checking your knowledge over here.
2010.
2009. It's 2009 March. That Ratan Tata, he went over there and he signed up the legacy contract, like royalty contract over there. The same it was going on. I'm not checking your general knowledge over there. I'm just telling you that thing that where are you lacking. Check out that what you need to improve in yourself. It's not only that you are performing at one particular thing, you are a performer. You are getting 70%, 75%, 80% in the engineering background, it's not sufficient. All the interview, I tell you, really, it's not your technical round that gets you selected, it's your communication skills that get you inside that particular stuff, that gets you landed in that job. It's your communication skills your way of interaction, your way of dressing, your way of preparing your resume. The more interestingly, alright, I take up one more example. I make up a best of the like biryani. Very well. Like best dish like Hyderabadi biryani I prepare and I serve you in leaves. Patto mein serve kar dunga. Who would like to eat? No one. Let it be very delicious. Nobody would like to eat it. But if I have only bread and butter and I serve you with fork and knife, with sauce and proper plate, everyone would eat that. You're getting what I'm trying to say?
Exactly, sir.
Why? Why they would take it? Just because one thing, that only physical thing matters. It's like a presentation matters. The way you're presenting. You go to big restaurants, you go to Moria, Sheraton, you go to Taj, wherever you want to go. The food there cannot be good than a dhaba. Honestly speaking, it cannot be good than a dhaba. But the way they would be serving you, you would feel like eating the poison also over there.
Yeah, of course.
Right? So this is the only thing that presentation matters. Why the people are lacking? It's just because of two things. The communication skills and the way of presentations. If you have these two things and if you even lack in your like technical stuff, you can overcome that. There was a man, he was from AME product only, he was riding Captain some time ago, I won't take his name, you will be knowing. He was only in sports only, he wasn't like believing in that particular stuff, okay, what is going on, what is this, what is that, he was just deciding to that. So what was his thing? He started working in the communication skills and personal development stuff. He joined a different organizations, different institutes to get himself trained and prepared well. And he was having only 51% marks in his masters. Sufficient, and 45% in his graduations. And he did everywhere from private and distance, everything like that, not even in AMU only. He was like that only. But after class 12, he joined up over there, he was a riding captain in AMU. And then he did over there. And what he did, he concentrated only on his communication skills and personal development. And today this man is working as a general manager for Royal Bank of Scotland in Dubai. A man who is having 45% in graduation, 51% in his masters. Can you believe that he could be sitting on the biggest chair of RBS? This is the thing which is governed by your communication skills. This is the way you're going to present yourself.